This big from the road.
This massive mini garden that we're fixing to do is fixing to bloom, baby. I feel it deep, deep, deep in my bones.
Wait, I thought it was a mini garden.
It is, baby. It's gonna be a massive mini garden. You ever heard of one of those? Neither has the world, but I'm fixing to show them.
It's great out here today, y'all. It feels like summertime, huh?
What we thinking this year? Right here? This is a good spot, I think.
So we're gonna change the spot?
Changing the spot. I feel like that spot over there is cursed.
Okay.
Okay.
That spot right there's got a curse on it. We're going 40 more foot away and trying this.
Yeah.
Lord bless this ground right here.
Look at the chickens.
You're going to have some fun going in this thing.
Now, I don't have any kind of tiller or anything this year for the massive mini garden.
Yeah, we rented one last year for that.
But it didn't work. I think that thing had a curse on it.
Hey, Daddy, can I do one?
Everybody can participate. Look at Tyler going to work.
We're gonna get it really fluffy.
You want to try the grow bag, you go ahead. This ground right here is going to produce.
Okay.
We probably ain't going to go, but just to maybe right here. I'm thinking this garden right here is going to be maybe a 3 boot wider. Y'all ain't never seen a mater sandwich like we're going to make this year.
Oh yeah.
This is the final time that we're
I'll get the wheelbarrow.
The size of it. Look at it.
And I'm going to be brushing this stuff away.
Yeah, it really helps the light coat when you put the dirt back in.
We're going to do a small one, Daddy, like a 3-incher.
Y'all gonna see this year, we're gonna have some maters. People gonna come from miles away to see our maters. The Queen of Sheba came from for Solomon's knowledge. They coming from my maters. I think there's more sunlight right here in this spot too.
Haha, we found treasure.
Just another rock.
You plant the 4 tomato plants we already have here. And we'll go get some more, and I'll do some in grow bags, and we'll see what does the best. That way we'll know for sure next year, should we do ground or just go grow bags.
Okay, but I'm putting secret sauce on there.
We're breaking tradition this year. Usually every year when we plant the garden, it rains on us, y'all remember?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna rain today. What kind you got, Manny?
I don't know.
You got the Better Boy tomato.
Now we need to dig out holes now.
Behold the land.
Yeah.
That's the biggest mini garden I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
Everybody, we just came back from town. We went and walked, and then we had to run to town. And as we were coming up the driveway, Fallon began to laugh because I was being serious. I looked over at my garden, telling her, "You're gonna be very surprised." And before I could even say that, she was cracking up laughing. What I was trying to say is, you're gonna be very surprised this year as to how many maters I'm gonna have.
Yo, it looks this big from the road.
You gotta have a set of binoculars to see my garden, but I'm telling you, it's gonna produce big.
Yeah.
That mini garden's gonna produce big. There comes a time in life when you will start developing hairs in places that you didn't really want them. And in my nose, I'm starting to have a lot of trouble. So right there is the reason I bought this, is to take care of nose hairs. So I just had to.
I don't see anything, Daddy.
You don't? You don't see no nose hairs? That's because my other one, I used my other one, and I don't know where the charger went to my other one, so I had to throw my other one away, is what happened.
Is that the charger that we threw?
Somebody threw my charger away, and I couldn't trim my nose hairs.
He thought it was that toothbrush that you never use.
That was my...
He's had probably 3 rechargeable toothbrushes, and he uses them 2 times, and then they
Baby,
sit
I
on the-
use them
they sit on the
toothbrushes,
counter
baby.
and get dust.
I use those toothbrushes like once every 2 weeks.
Months.
No, baby. About every 2 weeks or maybe 3. I used that thing for the last time as I was doing my nose hairs. I was like, here it is. I ain't gonna be able to trim my nose hairs anymore. And I was going through, a while ago, and I saw that, and I said, you know what? I'm not letting my nose hairs grow down to my belly button. If I did that and braided that, they wouldn't nobody mess with us. I could walk through a biker gang. You know what I mean? Sniff every now and then, you know? Have my hair bounce around. Have a pet mouse. Have him crawl up my nose hairs.
A pet mouse?
Yeah.
It's the next morning, y'all. We've got a Walmart order that I have to go pick up in just a little bit. But I'm gonna make some oat cakes for the kids before we go pick it up. I think I have time. I have just enough time. Hopefully enough time to make them and clean up, but we'll see. I just need a few of them because some of us have already had breakfast, so. We're gonna put half a cup of old-fashioned oats in here in the mini food chopper. And we'll put it on puree to get them really ground up. We love oat cakes. They do have a different texture, of course, than pancakes, but they're really good. They have a little more chew to them, kind of like, oh my goodness, I can't even think of the name of them. Let me get a bowl. Buckwheat pancakes. That took me a minute. Buckwheat. These don't take long to mix up. We need just a tiny pinch of baking soda and baking powder, like just very tiny, like just barely pick it up and toss it in there, very little bit, since this is just a small amount that we're making. Not even really what I would call a pinch, it's more of a dabble, or a, I don't even know if it's a dabble. It's a very little bit. We're gonna put in 1 egg. We're gonna put about half a teaspoon of vanilla, a couple of tablespoons of milk. I'm only wanting to make a few like silver dollar size ones because, like I said, some of us have already eaten.
Sissy and Jonah are the only 2 who haven't had anything.
I think this will be enough. If not, we'll mix up some more real quick.
I've got to show y'all this. I don't know who did it yet. Somebody put it here last night. I'm thinking it was Jonah, but he drew a little picture of the tomato plants and the pepper plants with the fence around it and the chicken, one of the chickens trying to get in. I'm thinking it was Jonah.